Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. That's my dish of leftovers that I want to put on an 8 by 10 inch canvas. Making sure I'm in focus. Trying to decide if I want to add a color to the top of it. And I'm thinking I'm going to add a little Snapdragon. I'm a Colourarte affiliate, so I have Prizm pours and Primary Elements. I have no idea what's going to happen when I do this. I kind of want some gold too. I want all kinds of stuff, but I'm not going to do that. What I am going to do is bring in my 8 by 10 inch canvas. Add a little bit of Sherwin Wiliams pillow paint. Let it move around some. And then put all the rest of that paint, as long as I don't drop the dish, right into the center. I can feel my head hitting my impedance. My no head in the camera tape hanging off the lens. I think I could have done that a little better. It's not making me want to use it as is. And it's hard for me to spin out 8 by 8 inch canvases. I don't know why. But I do know Jasmine saves the day. And whatever that thing is needs to go away. Ooh, I've got Tuscan Gold, a new vivid intense color. That ought to be interesting. Let's grab another color. The Fairy Tales Magic Slippers. And I'm thinking some Egyptian blue. I'm craving turquoise right now for some reason. Like a lot. So why don't I just grab a palette knife. Wow, there's paint on my palette knife. I need a different palette knife. I have another palette knife. I have Pebeo Iridescent Blue Green, and I'm going to add it to some Amsterdam Black in Aussie Floetrol and Mayan Gold. It's not what I intended on doing originally, but I don't care. Something may come of it, something may not. Part of me wants to use an edge catcher, which almost always works for me. Oh, that's pretty in the center. Let's see how close to the edge we can get our paint. Now I won't mind having paint fly off tonight. Let's see if I've got a little acetate tool. No, but I do have some Pebeo Iridescent Blue Violet, and I like what I've got so much. No, that's Aussie Floetrol. That's something entirely different. That is ginger flower. So I do have what I said I had. I have Iridescent Blue Violet from Pebeo. And now it'll have a little ginger flower in it, which is looking extremely watery. I'll just take my moment and move the paint to the edge of the canvas, just to be on the safe side. I don't mind gray. Kind of want some saffron. I wonder what's going to happen. Alright, I'm going to move some stuff out of the way. Cross your fingers, we can get this to fall off the canvas. Although I still want to move it so that it is central. That's about as central as I'm going to get it. I'm not sure I need the barrier because it's a small canvas, but I'm going to use it anyway. I'm not sure about that gray. I'm not loving it. Cross fingers. The Pebeo Iridescent Blue Green is pretty awesome. I'm going to move this back. I'm still inclined to put some saffron in there. So let's see where I would put it if I was going to put it in there. Yeah, I didn't do anything to it. I probably could have swiped it or something. But sometimes I just want to do things I don't usually do so I can find out what they'll do when I do them. Did that make any sense? I could put some cell activator in the orange and blow it out and get some little tiny blooms. I've done that before. I like how that looks. I am going to put a little bit of jasmine right there because I like it. And right there. And right there. It's different, but that's cool. I like different. Basically a bonus video anyway. So I do sell my artwork. I'd appreciate your thumbs up if you like what I do. When you share my videos, you help me out. Your comments keep my morale boosted and they help my standing on YouTube. My paint pouring recipe is below show more underneath the video. I like what I did in the end. It helps, in my opinion. I like it a lot. I can probably shimmer that at you. It's that's not my favorite way, but kind of like that way. I don't mind. Yeah, I like that way for you guys. So I will shimmer that at you. There's some really, ooh, there's some really beautiful colors in there. It's just a little something something. Just fun for me to use up my leftovers. Let's move that back out so we can focus on it. Zoom in, so to speak. I really like the drama of the added orange with the pink over there. Makes me want to call it something silly like dragon's tongue. Because that looks like a dragon, that looks like its tongue. In a very most abstract sense of the words. So I love you guys. Check out my link tree. And near my link tree, you'll find the 20% off Colourarte coupon code and the 10% off Pixel Paint Designs. Pixel Paint Designs will access you Aussie Floetrol, which we all love, and Pebeo Paints and Boom Gel. My Amazon link is on the link tree. My 2 books are on the Amazon link, because I can in Unlimited Possibilities. If you go to my YouTube channel on the community board, you'll find tomorrow's video. I air my videos at 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out gmail.com. I do sell my artwork. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. Did I say my paint pouring recipes underneath show more? I might have. I can't remember. I love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me. Please ask questions if you'd like to. Questions are welcome and encouraged. I have all kinds of ways for you to purchase my artwork if you'd like to see it added to the clothing on Legalist or Society 6 or Pixels.com, Fine Art America, all kinds of places. And all kinds of stuff while you're there, so check it out. Spring clothing too, right under the video. You can see pictures of that. So on the link tree, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook group, Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Appreciation Group, and more. Whatever I'm forgetting, you'll see another time, I guess. I feel like I'm forgetting something. Oh, playlists. I have 29 or 30 of them, and they each have 100 videos on them. And my videos are also organized by topic and genre. And if you'd like to have me give you a playlist, just mention that you like a certain genre when you're leaving me a comment, and I will probably include a playlist with it. So I love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me all the time. And I'm going to say goodbye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio. You should see that the way I'm seeing it, because I kind of like it that way. I'm going to torch really quickly, make sure there's no bubbles in there. And I'll see you guys anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.